Want a colorful twist on a pasta salad? Let's make mango berry rotini salad, y'all. Let's get to it. I've already cooked my rotini pasta, so I'm gonna put that in first. And then I'm using baby spinach. And you may wanna chop it up just a little bit. Blueberries. Raspberries. And now I'm adding our mango. I'm gonna end this one with feta cheese. Mix that all together, and then I'm gonna make my vinaigrette. Now I'm going to make my vinaigrette, so I already have my olive oil, and I am going to mix in a raspberry vinegar. If you have a hard time finding raspberry vinegar, you can use apple cider vinegar. I have my sugar, poppy seeds, and a little bit of salt. Blend that all together. Now pour the vinaigrette over the salad and toss gently. And that's all it is to it. Enjoy.